yogis and yoginis. Let's go over the breath. So I'm going to turn to the side. You can put one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. You want to stand or sit as comfortable as could be. Many different breaths in yoga, but one of the best breaths, Ujjayi breath. So when we inhale, mouth is closed. You want to expand through the chest, a little bit of the belly. Hold at the top. If you can, exhale out the mouth, but definitely pull your abs in without disturbing your alignment. It's just an inside job. So one more time. So inhale deep. You want to hear your breath as if you are whispering or you're Darth Vader. Inhale deep. Exhale. Namaste.